Alright guys, so a quick one right here. This is for everybody that participated in LayerEdge airdrop. So claiming to Centralized Exchange is now available. So if you can be able to meet up, is a time limited stuff. So it's going to be ending by 11:30 a.m. this morning. So if you can meet up, just go ahead and claim immediately after watching this video, and also share this particular video to everybody that you know that participated in the project, so that they can be able to go ahead and claim. So this is how to go about it. You can now head straight to the wallet where you found the project, be it Trust Wallet, MetaMask, SafePal, KuCoin, anywhere. Just head straight there. Then copy the link that I'm going to be dropping in the description section and comment section of this video. Paste it in the dapp browser of that particular exchange, then and proceed. Okay, you can still go back to the OKS that you checked the allocation yesterday and do the same thing. So I'm already in my SafePal because that's where I found the project. So you just come to the Explorer or that browser, regardless, depends on what your own exchange carry as browsing session. So the link is here already. Let me just paste it. Like I said, this link will be in the description section and comment section of this video. So you just paste the link, then proceed. So okay, it will bring you to this interface. All you have to do is just click on this button that says enter. Then it will bring you to the next interface, which is connect wallet. So make sure that the wallet showing here is the one you used in participating in the project. Okay, so once you got it right, click on the next button right here and you will see you are eligible. So this is the first airdrop that they gave us, and this is the adjusted one. So they increase 3 pieces for me. So for some people they minus, and for some people they added and stuff like that. So that's just by the way. So the next thing is tap on the next button. Then you see this particular place that says claim to sex, which is centralized, or on chain begins tomorrow. So if you cannot be able to claim today, if you cannot be able to meet up and claim today, then you have to wait for the on-chain claiming tomorrow. But you just have to make sure that you have little amount of base ETH that will serve as gas fee. Okay, so that is just that. So let me click on claim to sex. Then you see the available exchanges. Currently they have like 4 exchanges available, but the one that works perfect now is get.io. Get.io, I've looked out for KuCoin and it's not really perfect for now. I don't really know, maybe it's from the KuCoin team or the glitch in Edgen. So I'm going to be making use of my get.io. So all you have to do is just head straight to the get.io. That is, if you have get.io, you head straight to get.io, you get the address and the user ID. Okay, so let me head straight to my get.io and get the required details. Okay, so I'm already in my get.io exchange. All you have to do is just click on this particular icon over here to get your user ID, probably first. It depends on the one you want to get first, maybe your user ID or the address. So just copy the ID right here. So let me copy my ID. Alright, I've copied it. So I've copied my user ID. So the next thing is to go and get the address. So you come back to the assets section right here, tap on the assets, click here, then click on this deposit, tap on deposit, tap on chain deposits, then you search for Edgen. You can see it's already in my search history. Then you can get the address right here. It's as simple as that. So let me get back to my dashboard and paste it. Alright, so I'm already back in my dashboard. So all I have to do is just to tick this get.io, then scroll up a bit, then paste the address right here, the address that I copied. I just have to long press it, then paste, then come down right here. I don't really think I get this correctly. I'm coming. Alright, so I didn't paste it properly earlier, so let me just do this. I'll paste it, then come down to the user ID, come here and place the ID as well. Which one? There are a lot of IDs right here. I'm not gonna do. Alright, so guys, I'm back. I just went and re-get my address to avoid making mistake. Sure. So I'll paste the address right here, then come down and paste the user ID right here. So that's just that. Then I'll tap on the claim button. It's as simple as that. Okay, so let's say thanks for submitting your UID and deposit address. Please note this is just the registration phase. No tokens have been distributed yet. Your airdrop will be automatically sent to your selected sex account once the token is officially listed. Okay, so I'll just tap on confirm. Very simple. Okay, they say this is the airdrop terms and condition. All you have to do to check this button, if you tap on this accept right now, it's not going to click. Okay, it's not going to click. So make sure you hold this button. You guys can see it. Just scroll up to the last. Okay, just keep scrolling. That is one issue that some people are having that I've noticed. So just keep scrolling till you get it to the last. Okay, let's do this, keep scrolling. All right, so this is the last. When you see this admin LayerEdge foundation blah blah blah, just know that you have gotten it. Then you tap on accept. As simple as that. We'll just click on confirm. I trust this particular one. It's as simple as that. And they say added. Okay, so and that is just how to submit your address. So you are good to go. Let's wait for more update from the team. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe and bye for now. So guys, a very quick one. After I checked my wallet, I saw that it's not properly connected. So I'll just advise you, after watching this video, head straight to your OKS that you use and check the airdrop yesterday. Just don't bother yourself going to where you farmed it or anywhere. So far, say you have already imported everything in your OKS wallet. Just head straight to that place and perform this task. It will be easy for you. Okay. So I've already noticed that it was not successful. So I have come to my OKS Web3 wallet and I've already submitted the link right here. So I'm going to start the whole process afresh. Then I will proceed. Okay, so don't just bother yourself going to anywhere. Just head straight to the OKS and do the needful. Okay, so that this will work for us. I'll click on next, click on connect to centralize. I'll choose my get.io again. Then I'll go ahead and paste the address, then scroll up and paste the user ID. Okay, so click on claim now, then scroll up once. Okay, you have to confirm first. Alright, then scroll up once, scroll up, then click on accept. You guys can see this signature right here. This signature didn't show up when I was in my safe part, right? So to show you it was not successful. So I'll click on confirm, then I'll verify with my fingerprint. Then you can see accept. So you guys can see this claim successful. It was now that I successfully claimed my token. So don't just waste time around doing stuff like that. So head straight to your OKS Web3 wallet and follow the process and claim. It's as simple as that. Okay, so we just have to wait till the listing. Let's get the information from them and everything. So that is just that. Thank you for watching. Bye.